Turning right to Smithfield. Bloomingdale Post Office. I remember your mom had to drive all the way out here if she had to go to the post office if they dropped something off.
Yeah.
That just seems crazy. You know, she's so close to East Springfield, and she had to drive clear here.
Somebody's brainy idea to make that Bloomingdale out there.
I know. Nuts. Just like us. You know, Amsterdam. We don't live in Amsterdam.
Just watch, this road's rough too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Potholes. Oh, a lot of traffic there.
Yeah.
Been out here for a while. Are you warm?
Yeah. You?
Yeah. It's supposed to be in the 80s Monday and Tuesday.
Yeah, I might have to call in sick. Huh?
Yeah.
Now that we're short another guy, it's going to be terrible.
Yeah. Yeah, but that didn't really affect you. That was on the weekends. Right?
Yeah, or somebody took off and he filled in.
Yeah. Wow, this is crappy.
Yeah, that's what they had the road closed for. Right down here at the right,
Yeah.
this is where you come out when they had the detour.
Oh, yeah.
That road would be a nice ride, but they have it all tore up.
Huh.
Because of all the traffic that went through there.
Yeah. Well, is it? It's all gravel, though, isn't it?
No, it's paved all the way through.
Oh. The tunnel.
Yeah. You have to.
I did it.
Good job.
Oh, I did it. I did it. Fingertips are falling asleep.
What's that?
My fingertips are falling asleep.
Already?
And I think I grip it too hard. I think I get nervous a little bit and I grip the handlebars too hard.
Yeah. You waking them up?
Yeah.
Why would you get nervous?
I always do. I usually pee 155 times before we go. Kept seeing this thing hanging down through my helmet. Here's my hair.
Friendship Park.
Friendship Park. Entering Friendship Park. Lots of fishing goes on here.
County Fair.
That's straight ahead. Always took our bikes over there and took a picture in front of the little lake there thing. People go kayaking and fishing. There's a lot of cars. Where is everybody going? They're all coming this way. What's going on today?
Everybody's tired of being cooped up.
I don't know. Turning left. East on 151, going into Smithfield. They're all following us.
Well, you go the other way, there ain't much out there to hotel.
You know, I'm like, what's going on out here that everybody's coming this way?
The Apple Fest.
I don't think that's this now.
I don't either. It's the first thing that popped in my head.
Yeah. Smithfield.
Ohio. Up here on the left is what Dad was talking about.
Yeah,
One
the
of,
bed and breakfast.
not this.
Oh.
This next building.
Oh. That's the old store, grocery store.
That's what I thought.
So left goes Domingo, right goes to Dillon Villadina. There's a cop. Got stopped the red light. Or at the stop sign.
Hold on.